Welcome to another Headless Professor video on the use of JASP. This relates to your assignment of trying to use variables such as gender and ethnicity to predict weight in a sample of sex offenders. Let me show you how to do this. I will use a different variable to be predicted. Age. So first of all, I'm going to open up the file from my computer. One of my drives, I have the Chicago Sex Offender Study. And so I look at the different variables here. Gender, race. Notice that these are both in nominal scales, and we're going to have to leave them that way because we're going to use an analysis of variance. The variable that you will predict is weight. The variable that I will predict is age. Make sure that the variable you're going to predict is listed as having a ratio scale with this symbol right here. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go into descriptives, and you're going to get descriptive statistics for the three variables you're going to be working with: gender, race, and you're going to be doing it for weight. But in my example, I'm doing age. Go ahead and display frequency tables and also display the medians. So this will give you the median of your variable. For me, the median age appears to be 45 for the entire sample. And this shows the percentage of males and females. 97% male in the sample. And this also shows the percent breakdown of the four different ethnic groups. After you have your descriptives, go into Analysis of Variance. Select the first one. Now, go ahead and select Additional Options, Descriptive Statistics, and Estimates of Effect Size. The one that we're going to use is this one right here. That little symbol is called an eta symbol, and it's a measure of effect size. Now, up here, select your two fixed factors. They're going to be your predictor variables here. In using Analysis of Variance, they're going to have to be nominally scaled. So that's going to be gender and race. Now, the dependent variable is the one you're trying to predict. Now, age is not really a dependent variable, but if we're trying to predict it, we're going to treat it as if it were a dependent variable. So I'm going to click on age and put it as a dependent variable. You are going to use a different variable, weight. Now, I look over here to the p-values, and there's three different things that this Analysis of Variance is testing. Is there a difference between males and females? Well, that's not a significant difference. Is there a difference between the four different ethnicities? Yes, that's fairly significant. Although the effect size, the eta, is still pretty low. Why do we have statistical significance with a small effect size? Because our sample was so large. Now we look, was there an interaction between these two independent variables of gender and race? And it turns out there was no significant interaction here. And we can see what the mean score was in terms of age for the different groups: white males, Hispanic males, black males, Asian males, white females, Hispanic males, and black females. Notice it's only 7 groups because there were no Asian females in this sample. That's how it's done, and you're going to do something very similar, except the variable of age will be replaced by the variable of weight.